Ever pondered about the issues with current messaging systems? Let's take a moment to dive into that. In our hyper-connected world, messaging apps are as ubiquitous as the air we breathe. Yet, they're far from perfect. One of the most glaring issues we face is the onslaught of spam messages. It's like an uninvited guest at dinner, always unwelcome, yet persistently present. Then there's the issue of privacy. In an era where our data feels more public than private, the need for secure conversations is more important than ever. Yet many messaging systems seem to treat privacy as an afterthought rather than a priority. Lastly, let's not forget the challenge of message prioritization. In the sea of messages we receive daily, important messages often drown in the noise, leading to missed opportunities and broken connections. So, we are left with a question. What if there was a way to streamline your messaging experience, customizing it to your needs? Enter Pi Network's new feature, Staked DMs. As intriguing as it sounds, Staked DMs is a groundbreaking feature that takes messaging to a whole new level. Imagine a world where you have full control over who messages you and how often. That's exactly what Staked DMs bring to the table. So, what exactly are Staked DMs? It's a feature that allows users to stake or hold a certain amount of Pi as a guarantee for sending direct messages. This isn't just any ordinary messaging system. With Staked DMs, you have the power to minimize spam, making your messaging experience cleaner and more efficient. Here's how it works. Senders will need to stake their Pi to send messages. This means the more Pi you stake, the more messages you can send. This clever system discourages spam by making each message sent a conscious decision, a meaningful action, rather than a thoughtless spammy barrage. But that's not all. As a user, you also have the ability to set your staking requirements. In other words, you decide how much Pi a sender must stake to message you. This puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to control who can message you. Staked DMs, a revolutionary approach to messaging designed to prioritize your needs. It's more than just an innovative feature, it's a whole new way to communicate, ensuring your interactions are meaningful, efficient, and most importantly, under your control. Ready to transform your messaging experience? It's time to embrace the future with Staked DMs on Pi Network. Imagine a world with less spam and more privacy, a world where your messages matter. That's the promise of Staked DMs. It's more than just a feature, it's a revolution in how we communicate online. So why not give it a try? Explore the benefits and see the difference for yourself. Don't wait. Stake your claim in the future of messaging with Pi Network's Staked DMs today.